Operation Sindoor, a shining moment in India's modern military history, a mission where technology wasn't just an enabler, it was the game changer. From real-time drone surveillance to AI-assisted decision-making, from satellite-based coordination to precision logistics, Operation Sindoor showed us one thing loud and clear. If India wants to rise, every Indian must rise with technology. Our students need to move beyond rote learning. Coding, AI, digital design, data science, this is the new literacy. The world is changing fast, and we can't afford to lag behind. Let's put tablets in every hand, not just textbooks. Let's prepare our youth not just for exams, but for the future. Jobs today are not about degrees alone. They're about skills, digital skills. Learn Python, Excel, ChatGPT, Tally, Canva. Whatever your field is, there's tech to boost your value. With just a smartphone and internet, you can earn globally, work from home, start your own business. The future is digital, and it's already here. Technology isn't only for scientists and soldiers. It's for every Indian, every village, every home. Operation Sindoor was powered by tech warriors. Now India needs tech warriors in every field, in classrooms, offices, farms, hospitals, and homes. Let us embrace technology. Let us upgrade ourselves. Let us build a new India, smart, strong, and self-reliant, tech-enabled, future-ready, forever proud. Jai Hind, Jai Tech Bharat.